So I needed some an illustration about the Brown Bagging It series, and I know that Taylor Brown Bags that he makes his lunch every day. So I thought it'd be good just to, you know, kind of find out what Taylor does with his brown bagging and why he does it. And I wanted to be sort of authentic, so I didn't really tell him I'm coming. We're actually coming up to his house at night, and so I thought this way, you know, you could see how Taylor, one of our church elders, lives at home. And can you hear that? Oh my gosh. Check this out. Hold on. I think he's singing Michael Jackson. Wow. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh, what's he wearing? Oh my side. He ain't got no. Okay, well he's making his lunch. Wait, let me see if I can. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know he wouldn't have, you know, clothes on. I guess I should have called, but hold on. This may be dark. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna see if I can get a better view, because I mean, he's making his lunch, and that's what we're talking about. We're talking about brown bagging it, right? So, oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Hey.
Oh.
What are you doing out there?
Oh.
Hey, what are you doing in my garage? It's late at night. What do you think you're doing?
What's up, Taylor?
What are you doing?
Hey.
I'm kind of making my lunch. What do you think's going on here? Hey.
I needed to.
Get in here. It's cold, man. I'm in my skivvies. What the heck is going on?
Where? Is that Dana's?
Just never mind, all right? It's mine. What do you think you're doing?
No, look, man.
What's going on here, man? I got a knife.
No, listen. Is that what you wear all the time?
What?
Yeah. No, well, that's not why I'm here. I wanted to talk to you about brown bagging it. What are you doing?
I'm making my lunch. I'm making my lunch for tomorrow. What do you think I'm doing?
What were you singing?
I wasn't singing anything. Why do you ask that? What makes you think I was singing? I don't
Was that
sing.
Michael Jackson?
I don't sing nothing. Michael who? No, I don't sing nothing. What are you talking about? No. What?
You look pretty in blue.
What can I help you with, Chuck? Are you here for something?
Okay, yeah,
you
real
want
quick.
A sandwich?
Well, no, I know you brown bag it. So my question to you was, why do you why do you wear that? Sorry. No, why do you brown bag it? What's the deal?
Why do I brown bag?
Yeah, why don't you just McDonald's it or whatever? What's the whole point? And
because we like to do
brown
a little
bagging
plan. My wife and I, Dana, we've decided for our family that we like to both save money and we want to get control of what we're eating, so we're not eating junk food every day. So we make sandwiches so we know what's healthy. We can make leftovers if we have some stuff from dinner, so we're doing a little planning.
Oh, that's cool.
So we're trying to eat healthy, you know?
So
save some money, do the right thing.
Whole wheat. That's
100%
awesome.
whole wheat, yes.
All right, whole wheat bread.
Yes, we're going with a low-fat ham product here.
Very nice.
We got some cheddar cheese and
That yours? You know it is. All right.
my Capri Sun.
All right. Where's the mayonnaise?
Fresh fruit.
Where's the mayonnaise?
There's no mayo in this house. Get out of here with that stuff.
You like Miracle
Fat
Whip,
bomb.
right?
That's a fat bomb. Then we go with good old-fashioned yellow mustard.
See? That's why he looks so good.
Low cal, low fat.
Oh.
Fresh fruit.
Very nice. How long have you been brown bagging it?
Regularly, we've been doing it for over a year now, but off and on for the last 5 years.
Good for the belly and good for the budget?
Yeah, good for the budget, good for the belly.
All right.
Very good. Do you want a sandwich while you're here? Or
Can I have a sandwich or something?
No. Why don't you get out? No. Okay.
All right.
Go on. There you go. Good night. Good night.
Well,
Thanks for coming by.
don't you want to talk?
Right, no, I don't want to talk.
Hey,
I'm
man.
making my lunch.
Thanks
I got to get
a
up
lot.
for work.
You look nice.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. So, there you have it. That's Taylor brown bagging it in his wife's dressing gown. All right.